What's the biggest mistake small YouTubers make? Most people think it's bad editing, others blame the algorithm, some even believe it is because they don't have expensive equipment. But after so much years on the YouTube space, I've realized the biggest mistake is something much simpler, and chances are you are making it too. So let's talk about it, you guys. Many creators spend hours making videos they are passionate about without asking one simple question: would someone actually search for this? YouTube rewards videos that satisfies viewers' demand. Like, if your video is not helping somebody out there, or is not creating value that somebody else, like a viewer, is enjoying and is being satisfied from, YouTube will not look at your video as a valuable content, right? As long as it is satisfying a viewer's demand, then your videos are valuable, right? So the biggest mistake small creators make is creating content they want to upload instead of content viewers actually want to watch. This sounds harsh or trash, but it is true. So that is something that should stick. This is the more reason why creators are, spending their time doing what they are not supposed to be doing on the YouTube space, and they are making a huge mistake on their YouTube channel. What successful creators do is not just upload randomly. They study their audience. They look for questions people are asking, problems people are trying to solve, then they create videos around those topics in their niche. That's why searchable content continues getting views long after it is published, right? So when you are coming here on the YouTube space as a small creator or beginner creator, or even an existing creator, you want to ask yourself, what is the problem you are coming here to solve? In what niche? Now, the problem you are coming here to solve is going to directly point to a niche for you to stick around, because some people don't even have a niche. That is even a topic for another day. That is one thing that is also a big mistake that some creators make. But let's stick with what we are doing right now, and it is making content that are searchable. So you want to make sure of that. Now, another thing that a lot of creators do that is a mistake is the fact that they are guessing, right? Don't guess what people want. Use the YouTube search bar, right? Look at the autocomplete when you type certain things, or maybe something that you want to create on the YouTube search bar. Look at the ones that will come out, the ones that YouTube are using to complete the sentence you are trying to make. If they are coming up, those ones coming up are actually the ones that people are actually searching for. Those are the ones that you should be creating videos around, right? Read comments, study your analytics. If one type of video performs better in your analytics, create more of it, right? Your audience is already telling you, look, this is what we enjoy. If a particular video is always getting views on your channel whenever you create videos around that particular topic, that is what your audience wants to see. Keep creating around it. Like, one particular video can serve you 7 different videos. Yes, it works like that. If you want me to teach you how, just let me know in the comment section, right? I learned this lesson the hard way. Trust me, some of my old tutorial videos continued getting views long after I uploaded them, because people were actually searching for those topics. Like, this is something I've practically done, and it worked for me even in my other channels that are monetized, right? Until today, they are still getting those views. When I started paying close attention to what my audience actually wanted, it changed the way I planned my content. Now, before I make a video, I ask myself, who is this video helping? If I can't get a clear answer to that, I rethink the idea. Okay, another common mistake that YouTubers make when trying to create content on the YouTube space is that they try to copy big creators. What works for a creator that has 1 million subscribers may not work for you that is just starting out, right? So instead of copying, learn the principles. And what are the principles? The principles are simple. Get yourself in a niche, look for what are the problems in that niche that you can create videos that has solutions to those problems, upload consistently. This is the simple principles that is going to help you to grow your channel successfully instead of copying, right? Apply them to your own audience. Look at your audience, look at what they want, right? Your niche, look at what the problem around your niche is, and find solutions to creating these solutions to these problems in a video and upload it, right? So if your YouTube channel isn't growing, don't immediately blame the algorithm. Take a step back, ask yourself, am I actually creating videos people actually want, or am I making videos I want to upload? Sometimes that's one question changes everything. I know this video has helped you, really. I know this video has helped you, so please give it a huge thumbs up. Ask me your questions in the comment section. If you want me to do a one-on-one tutorial for you on how you can actually grow your channel personally, then let me know by sending me an email. My email address is going to be in the description box. I charge a fee for that. If you are coming, you know what is attached to it. Okay, thank you so much for stopping by. On here I teach you everything I know when it comes to starting and growing your YouTube channel, with my experience of running 5 YouTube channels and monetizing 4 out of it. If you love content around that, kindly go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I also have beautiful videos on my YouTube channel that is actually going to help you to grow your YouTube channel without paying for it for free. Yes, so I have linked to those videos in my description box. You can go ahead and check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.